9 resources that help Rutherfordton seniors with home repairs. Creating and maintaining a secure and comfortable living space is vital for individuals of all ages. It holds even greater significance for seniors who confront unique challenges in their day-to-day lives. Seniors often encounter physical limitations and potential financial constraints that make it arduous to tackle necessary home repairs independently. Fortunately, there are programs and charitable organizations who understand and extend invaluable assistance to seniors in need. Habitat for Humanity is a globally renowned nonprofit organization dedicated to addressing the issue of housing for low-income families. Call 828-245-1698 or visit https://www.habitat.org/. Home Repairs Ministries is a faith-based nonprofit organization that believes in the power of repairing homes to bring hope to the lives of low-income homeowners. Call 404-850-8766 or visit https://homerepairs.org/. Operation Homefront is a distinguished nonprofit organization that provides various forms of assistance to military families and veterans. Call 888-895-8838 or visit https://operationhomefront.org/. Hearts and Hammers is a volunteer-driven organization that provides free home repair services to low-income homeowners, including seniors and individuals with disabilities. Call 612-208-2791 or visit https://heartsandhammers.org/. Appalachian Service Project ASP is a home repair and replacement organization. Call 423-854-8800 or visit asphome.org/apply. When you need help, you can never have too many resources. Here are a few more. Rutherford Housing Partnership 828-248-3431 extension 104. Rutherford Senior Center 828-287-6409. USA Gov 1-844-872-4681 https://www.usa.gov/. Senior Homes of NC 855-948-3865 https://www.seniorhomes.com/North Carolina, Rutherford County. Now before we leave you, we would like to share our handyman tip of the month. Test your smoke and company detectors monthly. Replace your batteries every 6 months. These small devices saves lives. Please don't ignore them. Finally, just had to share these kind words from a Forest City, North Carolina homeowner. I am a great believer that if one hires locally, one keeps prosperity within the area you live. But it's immensely important that the quality of the person that you hired be up to par. I had Rutherford Handyman Services come to install my new dishwasher. They were on time and courteous. They took the old dishwasher with them and made sure that everything was working properly. I was so happy with their work that I am getting ready to start several new projects with them. Sergio Z. Forest City, North Carolina. We sincerely hope that these home repair resources can help you. If there is anything that we can do to help you with home repairs or improvements, please call us at 828-351-9191 or visit www.rutherfordhandyman.com. Have a blessed day.